Hey, this is Matt with Neighborhood Windows and Doors, and I wanted to take a quick minute and talk to you about impact windows versus non-impact windows. If you live near the coast, a common question that we get, should I get hurricane impact windows or should I get non-impact windows with a certified shutter system? At the end of the day, it does come down to price and preference, but our recommendation is always going to be hurricane impact rated windows for several reasons. Obviously, you're going to have energy efficiency, you're going to have a lot of noise insulation, and more importantly, who the heck wants to put up shutters 2 or 3 days right before a storm is barreling towards them? Luckily, in the state of Florida, most of these hurricanes turn last minute, but we never know that. So here you are, especially from June to November 1st, when we whip into hurricane season, you're having to lug these things out several times and then you have to put them back. And obviously, because of the costs have come down greatly compared to non-impact. So if you're in the market for windows and doors, if you'd like to gather more information or you'd like to learn a little bit more about what your county or city requires of you for a project like this, please give us a call at Neighborhood Windows and Doors. We have several certified window consultants who are happy to help you find the right product and fit for your home.
No one takes care of you like a neighbor. Call to get a free estimate today.